Enterprise resource planning software integrates businesses' processes into a single program. ERP systems allow for a growth in the form of cost savings. Let's take a look at some ways an ERP system helps save manufacturers money. Operational costs. Access to data across all platforms allows making faster and smarter decisions, facilitating shorter response time to consumer demands. Inventory costs. The ERP systems also allow you to have accurate forecasts regarding inventory requirements, with modern versions even going as far as to suggest the requirements during the estimation phase. Access to real-time data. Having access to real-time data allows you to make instant changes and shift courses to avoid costly errors. Recruitment costs. ERP systems allow for businesses to operate with a lower level of specialization and help in diverting such costs. An ERP software saves a manufacturer money, but that isn't the only benefit of ERP systems. It's highly important for one to understand the importance of ERP software. Contact OpenPro today to understand and avail our ERP software for small and medium enterprises and get access to tools which will enable your organization to achieve growth and success. Call us at 714-378-4600 or visit our website at www.openpro.com.